to the north, please. Support Sabong to the north.
Look, next.
Support Sabong to the north. Support Sabong to the north, please. Support Sabong.
Look, defense please. Is. Good job.
Defenses, please, come on. Guys, nalilito kayo kung nasan kayo, ha? Come on. Listen, we need to fully regroup here. Come on the fucking crown. Come on the crown. We need to kill the D-tanks. See the D-tanks in front of us. D-tanks lang. Cue the fucking D-tanks. Cue lang. Ready for DPS, please. Ready for anything, actually. Ready for defensives. Cue lang sa D-tanks. Cue sa D-tanks. Move the fuck up. Huwag kayong pussies. Cue the D-tanks.
Engage.
Cue the D-tanks. Look at north.
North side enemy engage.
Look at north, please. Look at north. On the crown. Fast engage to look at north. 5, 4, crown, 3, 2, 1 on the crown.
Again.
3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. D-tanks. Please, D-tanks.
Ready defensive. They're looking. Defensive.
Good stop.
Inching up sila.
Go down. Watch east, please. East inching up.
5 seconds.
East inching up. Come. We need to fully
Ready.
engage. Come south.
East Avon, malapit sila.
Stop tayo. Come southeast. Ready, southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt, please.
Massive! Defensive door! Guys, ready.
Huwag kayo mag-push po, kinangina.
Holding, please. Holding, cool down, please.
Inching up yung north side.
Ready.
Over the barrier tayo.
Ready.
Hindi sila magpo-push. Push sila, man. We are fucking better than them. Please, hold
Ready.
Hold lang yun. Look at the crowd. Okay, DPS, engage from the barrier, ha? Engage from the barrier, DPS, ha? Ready far north. Nag-GA na sila. Holding. Ready, eastern side, north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow lang. Shallow, please. Ang baho na naman ng damage.
Ready, defensive. Ready.
Titang, super right.
Inching up sila.
Titang, not too far. May engage ang kayo.
Defensive north. Ready north.
5 seconds. 3.
Ready. Yes.
Ready.
Yes, masyado kayo.
Engage.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eastern choke. Malaki to. Massive. Eastern choke.
Shoot.
Ayaw nyo na naman. Please.
Defensive.
Guys, ang layo nyo. Huwag kayong malayo. Look at the crowd. Huwag kayong malito.
DPS, ready.
Crown.
Ready again.
Crown lang. Please, huwag kayong
Ready again, ready.
malayo. We need to connect one.
Engaging with the barricade.
Ay na naman ako. Walang...
Tell me. DPS ready.
Ready.
Okay, look northeast side. Get ready to engage. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the fucking...
Kulik!
Big.
Wait.
No, inch up again. No. Go. Get back to the mage.
Chill.
Sa mage, wala lang sa mage.
Kaya pa man, makabay ka pa.
Ang tanong kung gusto ko pang bumalik. Wala, tulog kayo eh.
Pamark nga ako.
Ready again.
Defend.
Ready again.
Mark mo nga ako, Patch. May engage ako May clamp ako Ready
Sige.
DPS, ready. Support, Sabong. Ready, support.
Nice. Na-delete nyo.
Look north, they're looking north.
Ay,
Defensive. Fuck, hindi tayo.
Call.
Wake up.
Ready.
Defensive
Now
swing.
inside.
Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Meron ako. Wala. Get back.
Kaya pass ni Mark para papasa.
Pamot.
Lalaban pa yung Sabong eh. Patagal pa ako yung Sabong.
Sige. Kita na ako.
Pang ka ng
Instinct sila. Defense.
Southwest muna kayo. Tingin kayo sa crown Ready
Look north, hill north.
North.
Sige lang. Tingin tayo dito, walking northeast Tingin sa akin, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sa akin.
Clamp.
Wala. Get back southwest.
Ready defensive.
Defensive lang, ready.
for Sabong to. Bitin damage natin sa Minseg.
Bitin. Sige lang.
5 seconds again.
Hold lang. Southwest, hold.
Ready again.
Ready
Text Marshall.
Papasok tayo ulit Northwest Northeast Wait lang. Hold lang.
Basta tingin kayo
Tingin
northeast.
sa akin ulit Ready sa akin ulit Northeast. Tingin sa akin 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa akin. Ang dami. Uy, tangin mo.
Listen. Stop feeding them sets. Come back.
Oh.
Pupuntawan ka naman
I don't give a fuck. Come back. Sobrang baho. Baho na.
Oh, Dimas na, Dimas na.
Dimas.
Mag-ibas na.
Oh, go west, go west, go west.
Excess,
Good review,
exit,
please.
exit,
Good
exit.
review.
Sabong, we pull up na sabong.
Defensive, defensive.
Good review, please. Magde-declare sila dyan 100%. So please, tomorrow, on point, everything. Ang pakabaho ngayon. Tang ina. Pre.
Defensive, sobrang delay.
3 beses ako namatay sa frontline sa staggered DPS ng kalaban. Staggered DPS ng kalaban. Staggered. It's not instant. Staggered. Holy fuck. Huh? Nagra-random is lahat ng DPS ko. Kaya out of sync sila